Hey, what's up, folks? Domino 7 here. Hope I don't get disconnected. Well, I'm home and stuff like that, relaxing at home after the second line, you know. Ooh, boy. I mean, it was a day for me, you know. It was a day for me today. My game get I mean see my live stream getting disconnected and stuff like that, you know. Watching the game, y'all. You see that? Uh huh. You know what, y'all? It was happened this in my life today. I couldn't believe I saw who I saw. Some girl named Dominique. I went to school with her, junior high school and senior high school. Well, I saw this girl named Dominique. I don't know if I should say her full name or not. You know, Dominique. Not Dominique Henry. Not at all. Okay. She was looking at my finger, seeing if I had a ring. Wait, y'all missing the action. Y'all gonna see this when it's uploaded on YouTube. Okay. Yep. Y'all gonna see this when I upload it to YouTube, all right? Uh huh. Whoa! Look at that. Hmm. Imagine that, y'all. Relaxing at home after the second line. Yep. As y'all watch this game here and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. That's all I've been doing was my shows. Oh, it took them a while to score. You see, it sure took them a while to score. I'm not really a singer, y'all. Well, I know y'all remember that episode when I was singing "What a Beautiful Morning." Stuff like that makes me cry, y'all. Why it makes me cry? That's the old days to watch, you know, especially watching them John Wayne movies, you know. Uh huh. Look at her jump around. Well, y'all gonna watch that when it upload to YouTube, okay? So I saw Dominique, and she don't look different. Her face still the same, but well, what the heck? Well, the girl's still fine though. I'll give it that. As we watch this game, though, you know. And also, she said I had a crush on her friend. You know, let me tell y'all something. I had a crush on her then. I liked her in 2001. Yeah. So, Dominique, if you watching this right now, I have feelings for you too. You hear me? But the crazy thing about it is I was messing with those other girls in school. You know, just in case you watching this. You know, I don't know who watching this. To be honest with everybody, I don't know who watching this video. To be honest with you, okay? Because I done some crazy things in my life though. You know, and you know what? Dominique said I was mean to her. I treated her so bad in junior high school. But let me tell y'all something. She was right. I was mean to her. I don't know why. Well, yeah, I knew why. The first time I knew why, but the second, third, fourth, fifth time, all the way down the line, I didn't know why. The first time I didn't know why, but let me tell y'all this. She don't remember this at all. Dominique's mom, if you're watching this, I didn't mean to treat your daughter like that, but but everybody else, and everybody listening to this, okay? I want I want to get this straight, y'all. I really want to get this straight. This was in, I think, about November or December of 1998 or something like that. One of those times. Okay, I didn't know who she was, to be honest with y'all. Okay, to be honest with every last one of y'all, I didn't know Dominique at first. You know, and then that girl used to drive me at first. Yes, she did. She don't remember, or she don't want to remember. And second of all I did was get her back. But to be honest with y'all, yes, I was mean to her. To be honest with y'all, because well, some things she started the first two times, the first three times, and stuff like that, and then the other times I was starting. To be honest with y'all, I gotta keep it real with every last one of y'all. Okay, all right. So let me tell y'all something. Dominique is a real sweet girl. And I remember she cursed me out. I remember cursing at me. Yeah. I remember cursing me out, but she don't remember cursing me out, you know? Uh-huh. And I say, well, yeah, 1999. Yeah, when I was being mean to her, she told my mom on me. She told my mom on me. I was punished. Thank you, Dominique. I'm sorry. It's funny. Because the reason why I'm laughing because I was gonna say thank you, Dominique, for getting me punished. My mama took all my video games from me. Okay, if you watching this right now, all right, I'll talk about her again on another episode. Okay, probably on my Instagram live, or my YouTube live or whatever. All right. Well, that's what's so funny, y'all. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I used to say some things though. I met her auntie. Barely met her mom though. You know, Dominique was mean in school. Honestly, y'all. Because Major, my friend Major told me she was mean. Well, honestly, Major Tell, that's his name. He from my hood, I only went to John Mack with him, So he didn't meet Dominique until she came to John Mack, you know. So I know Dominique be, before Major and some of the people from my hood, you know. Yeah, look at this. All right. I'm laughing because almost got the 3-pointer. Oh well, y'all gonna watch that later, okay? I mean, I don't know why. Well, to be honest with you, Dominique, I love you here. Okay. Well, y'all missed that though. Well, y'all gonna see it when it's uploaded. Yeah? Okay. If I'm watching it, y'all gonna watch it too. Okay. If I have anything else to say, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay. All right. Oh boy.